Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change these icon size and also the menu bar. So if you want to change the menu bar icons, you want to go ahead to system settings. From here you want to choose desktop and dock, and here you will be able to choose a size of your menu bar. You can make it a lot smaller if you want to, and also you can choose magnification. So as you can see, this is how it changes. And choose whichever one you like. Now, of course, you can change the positions here, but the sizing changes here. If you want to change these folders size, you want to go ahead, right click on your wallpaper and choose option show view options. And from here, you will see this desktop stack by, sort by, and icon size. So you want to go ahead and make them smaller, just like so. And also some grid spacing if you want to choose it, you can go ahead and do that. And also the text size can be changed too. But basically, yeah, that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.